In today's video, I'll be showing you how to see and manage layers in Canva, a simple but incredibly powerful feature that can take your design control to the next level. Whether you're editing a complex project or just adding a few finishing touches, understanding how layers work can help you organize your design like a pro. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Canva design project. Once your design is on the screen, select the specific element you want to adjust. This could be text, an image, a shape, or any other graphic you've added. When you've picked your element, right-click on it. This will bring up a small context menu filled with different editing options. Now, pay close attention to this next step. It's the key to accessing Canva's layering tool. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the layer option. Doing so tells Canva that you want to view and manage how your elements are stacked. To put it simply, layers in Canva work just like sheets of paper. Some sit on top, others underneath. This helps you control which items appear in front and which stay in the background. It's an essential concept for keeping your layout balanced and professional, especially when working on designs with multiple overlapping elements. After hovering over the layer option, a new submenu will pop up. From here, select Show Layers. Once you click it, Canva will open a panel displaying all your design elements arranged in order from top to bottom. You'll now be able to clearly see how each element fits into the overall design structure. This view gives you total control. You can select, drag, and reorder elements with ease. For instance, if your text is hidden behind an image, simply drag it upward in the layer panel to bring it to the front. Likewise, if something feels too dominant, you can move it down a few layers to soften its visual impact. Being able to see and rearrange layers also makes complex editing far more efficient. Instead of guessing which element is blocking another, you can instantly locate it, adjust it, and move on. It's like having a clear map of your entire design layout. And that's it. You've just learned how to view and organize layers in Canva. This tool might seem small, but it's a real game changer for keeping your projects clean, flexible, and well-structured. The more you practice using layers, the easier your design process will become. So the next time you're working on a busy composition, take a moment to open that layers panel. It'll make your workflow smoother and your results more polished. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick Canva tips and creative guides. Now go ahead and experiment with layers in your next design, and happy designing.